EOSE Stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So Eos Energy Enterprises stock just sitting at 8% up for the day. This 1 hour chart just looks phenomenal. Like, it's a proper good bullish market. And before I get even deeper, I have done 32,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars on course and mentorships, and as a result, the strategy has delivered thousands of repetitions. With EOSE, I don't know, like, where, okay, yeah, this is where my drawings were. My previous idea was absolutely wrong, and I'm okay with it, because in order for me to show, like, this is just kind of like a fast catch, because dude, like, what the hell is this, right? So in order for me to short in the supply area, this is why I say my trading strategy or edge consists of 3 rules. And then obviously you have the management game, but trend, supply, demand, and then confirmation. 2 out of 3 got met, and then confirmation didn't, so no trades got taken. And that's about like why I kind of left it there, and then now it's parallel to this here. This looks like a very good bullish market, and there's nothing stopping me from trying out the waters there, but obviously still now like randomly buying at the top now, because I definitely am kind of late here, even if it's a day/swing trade perspective. So what I would love to see is the price pull down, and then if I see a double break, this is something that I'll kind of get involved. Doesn't even have to pull down that much, you know, just a tad bit. But yeah, I will continue to keep you updated. If you want to make money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.